All right, so to determine if a relation is a function given an equation, it's pretty simple. There are different types of functions, but to determine if something's a function, almost most equations you see are going to be functions. There are very few exceptions. One are the vertical lines. So if you see an equation where x is equal to a number, if x is equal to 7, for example, that is not going to be a function. It is an equation, not considered a function. The other option is if you have a y value that is squared or a y value that's an absolute value, that's also not going to be a function. So those are things that when you look at a problem, you can immediately recognize and tell that's not going to be a function. The reasoning is because of the graph and this thing called the vertical line test, um, which we're not going to get into in this video. But when you're given equations, you look. In this case, there's a y squared. I'm not even going to do the work. That is not a function. And if you don't see those, you're pretty safe in determining that it will be a function.